Sobrang baba ng 1.5 kasi sa amin 1.6. What's up friends? Yayo here. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung price namin per panel. Kasi nung the other day, may nagtanong sa akin na client, tinatanong niya kung kaya ko raw bang tapatan yung price na na-inquire nila. Yung na-inquire nilang price ay 1,500 pesos per panel. I said, what? That's too low, sir. Sabi ko, sobrang baba ng 1.5 kasi sa amin 1.6.
Wow!
Okay, corny. So, joke lang yon. So, ngayon, ipepresent ko yung mga materials na ginagamit namin for automotive painting para malaman natin kung justified ba ang 1,500 isang panel. Let's start with paint preparation. Ang mga kailangan mo, body filler or masilya, mga sanding disc or sanding strips, iba-ibang grit yan kada level, primer, surfacer. So, dun pa lang marami ka ng mga gastos. And then sa spray painting, ang kailangan mo base coat, clear coat, and thinner. And for masking, kailangan natin ng masking tape, iba-ibang kapal niyan, masking paper, hindi po kami nagdidyaryo, and masking film. But wait, there's more. Maraming ancillary items na ginagamit for painting, kagaya ng degreaser, tack rags, paint strainers, rags, mixing cup, microfiber cloth, maraming ginagamit na materials for painting just one panel. Hindi ko maisip kung paano nila napapagkasya yung lahat ng materials na ito sa 1,500 pesos. Also, take note na lahat to ay direct cost. Ibig sabihin, ito lahat ng materials na kailangan mo for painting. Hindi pa kasama dito yung mga operating expenses mo or yung tinatawag na indirect cost o kilala na overhead like rent, utilities, salaries, lahat yan kailangan mo i-cover. If you want to be more precise, sinabi ng accountant, kailangan mo rin i-take into account yung interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Lahat yan, saan mo kukunin yun? Siyempre, dun yun sa revenues na which is price ng painting per panel. So, I think kailangan nang baguhin yun. Standard repair procedures if we are expecting quality repair works. So again, it's Yayo. Hope you learned something today. Please like, share, and follow. Thank you.